Do you want to make money without having to clock in every single day? Ever wonder if there's a way to earn passively while you sleep, travel, or relax? Well, you're in the right place. In today's video, we'll reveal the top 8 ways to make your money work while you sleep, strategies that even beginners can implement to grow wealth without putting in hours of effort. Whether you're looking to build passive income or just make smarter financial decisions, these methods are easy to follow and highly effective. Ready to discover how to make your money work for you? Let's get started. 1. Peer-to-peer lending. Are you looking for a way to grow your money without worrying about stock market volatility? Peer-to-peer lending allows you to lend your money to individuals or small businesses in exchange for interest, and you can do it all while you sleep. Peer-to-peer lending platforms connect borrowers with lenders. By contributing a portion of your money to a loan, you'll receive interest payments when the loan is repaid. This is a great way to earn passive income while helping others access funds they might not get through traditional banks. Once you're set up on a platform, the interest just keeps rolling in, even when you're asleep. Peer-to-peer lending is one of the easiest ways to start building passive income today. 2. Cryptocurrencies. Ever thought about making money from digital assets? Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum have become increasingly popular as an avenue for earning passive income. While this may sound complex, it can be a great way to make money while you sleep. You can buy and hold cryptocurrencies that increase in value over time, earning you money through price appreciation. The value of cryptocurrency fluctuates, but if you invest wisely, you could see significant returns as the market grows. Once you've set up your investments, the earnings continue to roll in, even when you're not actively monitoring them. Cryptocurrency trading might seem risky, but it offers a great opportunity for high returns when handled correctly. 3. Publishing an ebook. Do you have knowledge about something others might want to learn? Publishing an ebook is a fantastic way to make money while you sleep. Whether it's a how-to guide, novel, or a book on your area of expertise, you can write it once and continue to earn royalties each time someone buys it. Once you write the book, it's easy to have it cleaned up and published in an ebook format. And at that point, you can just wait for the book to sell so you collect money. Platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing make it easy to publish and market your work to a wide audience. Once it's published, the book keeps selling and earning you money without any further effort. It's a great way to create an asset that generates income while you focus on other things. 4. Drop shipping. Are you looking for a business model that doesn't require holding inventory or dealing with customers? Dropshipping allows you to set up an online store and sell products without having to manage stock or fulfill orders yourself. In dropshipping, you partner with suppliers who handle the fulfillment of orders. You market and sell the products at a higher price, and when someone buys, the supplier sends the product directly to the customer. You keep the difference between the retail price and the wholesale price, which is your profit. This business model works 24/7, allowing you to make money while you sleep. All you need to do is set up a website, market the products, and ensure that your store is optimized for sales. Once you're established, the process largely runs itself with minimal effort on your part. The key to success in dropshipping is selecting the right products, finding reliable suppliers, and ensuring that your marketing efforts, via social media or ads, reach the right audience. Once everything is in place, your dropshipping store can be a hands-off source of income. 5. Sell affiliate marketing. Do you already have a website or a blog? If so, affiliate marketing could be the perfect way for you to make money while you sleep. Affiliate marketing involves promoting a company's products or services on your platform and earning a commission for each sale made through your referral. Getting started is easy. Sign up for affiliate programs from companies like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or CJ Affiliate, and start promoting their products through links on your blog, social media, or website. Every time someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission, often with little to no extra work after the initial setup. This is a passive income stream because you can earn money on your content even when you're not actively working on it. Once you have an audience, your affiliate links continue to earn you money regardless of the time of day or night. The best part about affiliate marketing is that you don't need to create your own product. You simply share other people's products and earn commissions from them. With the right traffic, this can become a profitable and scalable revenue stream. 6. Buy a low-effort business. What if you could buy a business that runs itself? If you've got extra cash and want to generate passive income, buying a low-effort business could be a great option. Businesses like laundromats, vending machines, or car washes often require little to no daily involvement but can generate consistent income. Once you've bought the business, you can hire employees to manage operations while you collect profits. These types of businesses usually offer reliable, steady cash flow and are low risk compared to other investment types. The key here is to find a business that's easy to run and offers a good return on investment. Even though you'll need upfront capital to purchase the business, the rewards can be substantial over time. With minimal effort required on your part, the money will keep flowing in while you focus on other pursuits. If you're looking for a more hands-off approach to business ownership, buying a low-effort business is a great way to start generating passive income without getting bogged down in day-to-day operations. 7. Invest in foreign property. Are you interested in real estate but don't want to limit yourself to your home country? Investing in foreign property is a great way to diversify your investments and build wealth internationally. Many developing countries offer lucrative property investments with high growth potential. Countries like Vietnam, Brazil, and Montenegro are seeing rapid property value growth, making them attractive options for investors looking to get in on the ground floor. Once you've purchased property, you can rent it out or wait for it to appreciate in value, earning you money while you sleep. Foreign property investment can be especially profitable if you choose a country with rising demand for real estate and limited supply. The rental income can offer a consistent cash flow, and the value of the property itself can appreciate, giving you a solid return on your investment. Though there may be some challenges with legalities and paperwork when investing abroad, potential for growth and profit makes it a smart move. If you're looking for a way to earn globally, foreign property is a great option. 8. Get a rewards program credit card. Do you enjoy shopping? What if you could make money while you shop? Getting a rewards program credit card is one of the simplest ways to earn passive income. Many credit cards offer cashback, points, or miles for every purchase you make. By using your credit card for daily expenses like groceries, gas, and bills, you can accumulate rewards without spending extra money. These rewards can add up over time, and if you're diligent, they can result in significant savings or even free travel. However, it's important to pay off your balance in full each month to avoid paying interest, which would negate the benefits of your rewards. When managed properly, this is a low-effort way to earn passive rewards just by using a credit card for your normal spending. Credit card rewards programs allow you to earn money passively while still managing your regular expenses. This is a win-win scenario where you can earn while purchasing things you would buy anyway. And there you have it, the top 8 ways to make your money work while you sleep. These strategies allow you to generate passive income and grow your wealth without constantly working for it. Whether you're just starting or already on the path to financial freedom, these tips will help you maximize your earning potential. Like this video, if you found these tips helpful, share it with someone who's looking to make their money work for them. And don't forget to subscribe for more smart financial strategies. Let's make money work for us, even while we sleep.